Do you want to access your cloud files quickly and securely right from your computer? OneDrive is built into Windows and makes it easy to access all your documents, photos and more. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to open and navigate OneDrive on Windows. First, click on the File Explorer icon on your taskbar. Alternatively, you can press Windows plus E on a keyboard to launch it instantly. This opens the window where all your folders and drivers are displayed. On the left-hand sidebar, look for OneDrive. Mark with the little cloud icon. If you see it there, it means OneDrive is already active on a system. Click on this folder to open it. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Just input your email and password and follow the prompts to complete the login process. Once you sign in, OneDrive will begin syncing your cloud files to this device. Now you can view and open any file that's synced to your OneDrive account. Green check marks next to each file indicate that it's been fully synced and available offline. Double-click any document or image to open it immediately. To confirm your files are syncing correctly, look for the cloud checkmark icons next to them. A blue sync icon means it's still uploading or downloading. If you ever see a red error icon, click it to troubleshoot it. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your OneDrive on Windows. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick tech tips walkthrough.